try out these 6 life-saving solutions that swimmingly work to fix charging issue in iPad. If your iPad is not charging or if charging slowly, then there might be various reasons behind. If you are facing troubles in charging your iPad with or without a specific charging cable, then here are a few life-saving solutions that would swimmingly work for all. How to fix iPad charging issue. Firstly, check out the temperature, as it is one of the major factors affecting charging speed. 320 to 950 F is the best temperature for your iPad to charge smoothly. Try out charging your iPad with the reverse side of the Lightning and USB-C cable that is used along with a power adapter, because according to Apple, users must leave their iPad plugged in for approximately 30 minutes to charge, but it often only takes 5 to 10 minutes of being plugged in. Have you tried the hacks mentioned earlier? But the issue remains unsolved. Then try out a different or new cable power adapter. Check out the Lightning or USB-C port for debris by using a magnifying glass, or gently pick and remove it if found. But if not, then smoothly remove the pick, otherwise it is likely to damage the pins. Also, if you cannot check it properly, take your iPad to an Apple store. Try out this magic keyboard hack, which might help to fix this issue. So if you have an iPad Air or iPad Pro and a magic keyboard, attach your iPad to the keyboard and plug in the cable. If none of these hacks works, then try to restart your iPad, but accordingly if it entails a home button or not. Hopefully the issue will now be fixed with the solutions mentioned above. However, if the problem persists, then take your iPad to an Apple store or Apple authorized service provider to fix it.